All right, today's lesson, you do not need to write it like I'm writing it. I want you to go through it, though, and write some notes. Everyone's will look a little different today. Martina's art class is 6 hours long. How long is her class in minutes? Okay, so if it's 6 hours long, and we're going to convert it to minutes, we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we could do repeated addition, 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. I am going to use multiplication. It is faster than repeated addition. So 1 times 6, 60 times 6 equals 360 minutes. A chess game lasted 30 minutes. It started at 3:25 p.m. What time did the game end? All right, so I'm going to do 3:25, and I'm going to add 30 minutes. So since I don't have to carry anything, it'll end at 3:55 p.m. Make sure I know it's p.m., half hour later. Donna's game started at 10:15 a.m. The game lasted 1 hour and 35 minutes. What time did the game end? Okay, I can set this up the same way. So when I do this, I do not have to carry. It should be 11:50, and I didn't pass 12, so it's still in the morning. That answer makes sense. John will take the 9:43 a.m. train to San Diego. The train is estimated to arrive in 4 hours and 42 minutes. What is the estimated time of arrival? Okay, so let's see if I can do this one the same way. There are other strategies to use. You don't have to use my strategy for this. Today, though, as we're copying it, I'd like you to do the same. Okay, look what happens. I get an 8 there. I can't go 85. I can only go up to 60. So I need to borrow. Let's finish this off and see what we get. We have 1385. I know the highest I can go is 60. So if I subtract 60 minutes out of this, I could add an hour over here. So it'd be 14:25. Well, it's past 12. So that would be 2:25 p.m. That's one way to do it. Okay, let's look at another way to do it. 9:43 a.m. I can add 17 minutes to that to get to 10 a.m. And that's 17 minutes out of my 42. So I still have 25 minutes to add to that. Okay, so if I add 25 minutes, it's 10:25 a.m. And now I'm done with my minutes portion. So now I just have my 4-hour portion up here. So I'm going to add 4 hours to 10:25. I can just count 11:25, 12:25, 1:25, 2:25. And since I passed the 12, it's p.m. Okay, either of those ways works. Okay, Lena played with her dog from 1:15 to 1:33 p.m. How long did she play with her dog? Write your answer in minutes. Okay, so I could count up or I could subtract. I'm just going to count up. Okay, so 1:15 to 1:25 is 10 minutes, and then I still have 8 more minutes. So I have 10 minutes plus 8 minutes for a total of 18 minutes. Another way I could have done this is I could have seen 1:15 to 1:35, and that's 20 minutes, and then I'm going to subtract 2 minutes from that. So again, that would be 18 minutes. Austin turned on the television at 7:45 a.m. He turned it off at 8:17 a.m. How long was the television on in minutes? Okay, well, I'm just going to do repeated addition again. So 7:45 plus 15 minutes gets me to 8. And then I have to get to 8:17, so that's 17 more minutes. So plus 15 plus 17 would be 32 minutes. I know these problems are going to be really hard for you to write in your notes. Your notes don't have to be nice and neat. I just want you to try to work these problems out. Rachel's piano recital started at 1:48 p.m. and ended at 5:14 p.m. How long did the recital work? Okay, this one I'm going to do with some subtraction. I'm going to go past this time, and then subtract. So from 1:48 to 5:48 p.m., that's a total of 4 hours. Okay, so I've gone forward 4 hours. I know it's going to be less than 4 hours. Now I'm going to back up to 5:14 p.m. So I'm going to go back 34 minutes. So it's 4 hours minus 34 minutes. So there's 60 minutes in an hour. So 60 minus 34 is 26. That left me at 3 hours and 26 minutes. It's one way to do it. Okay. Another way I could have done it is added up until I got to 4:48. So that would have been 3 hours. And then seen from 4:48 to 5, that's 12 minutes. And then from 5 to 5:14, that's another 14 minutes. So it's 3 hours plus 12 minutes plus 14 minutes for a total of 26 minutes. So 3 hours, 26 minutes. Your notes don't have to look like this. I just want you to work it out one way or the other. Okay, dog slept from 10:54 p.m. to 2:17 a.m. How long did the dog sleep total? Didn't sleep very long. So this is late at night to really early in the morning. Got to make sure my answer makes sense. Okay, so let's say it slept from 11 p.m. to 2:17 a.m. Okay, let's just suppose that. That's 6 minutes away. So from 11 to 12 to 1 to 2 is 3 hours, and then 17 more minutes. Okay, so it slept that long, but I have to add 6 more minutes here for a total of 3 hours and 23 minutes.